Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your model supports Face ID and update iOS if needed. Once done, inspect and clean the true depth camera. Dirt, oil, or a case can block sensors. You should also restart the phone now to clear temporary glitches. This often fixes system flags that say Face ID is unavailable. Make sure you're in good light and remove sunglasses. After the restart, go to Settings and open Face ID and passcode to try setting up again without delay. Next, perform deeper troubleshooting. Reset Face ID in Settings to wipe corrupted configs, then follow the guided setup. If it still fails, inspect the front glass and camera area for physical damage. Impacts can misalign the true depth module. You should also check for pending iOS updates and install them. System fixes are common. If you have the Apple Support app, run diagnostics to read sensor errors. Make sure to try setup in different ambient light levels to rule out exposure problems. If software attempts fail, back up and perform a full restore. This clears deeper system corruption that blocks Face ID. Once restored, try setup before reinstalling apps to isolate the issue. If diagnostics point to hardware faults or the true depth system still reports unavailable, schedule an Apple repair. Replacement of the front sensor assembly may be needed. Finally, when enrolling, hold the device upright and steady, move your head slowly, and keep consistent lighting. If problems persist, that repair visit is your best next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.